Ladies and gentlemen, stoners, vapists around the world, welcome to Heasie Invest. You know you're rocking with the best, no stress,
cause we always staying
blessed. Today we're taking a look at a very sexy concentrate vape pen that goes by the name of Melter by the company DazzVape. This company reached out to me, asked me if I had any interest in taking a look at a couple of their new pens, so you know I had to lock it in.
Break it down, shake it up.
Bless it all around. For all you my beautiful cannabis connoisseurs of this great green world. This will be a quick unboxing, breakdown, how to use. We're gonna do a cloud and a taste test. I'm gonna mix it all in with my thoughts on the Melter after using it for the past few days. So vape it up,
If you
got it, blaze it up,
if you want it,
cause you know a little dab will do ya.
Let's get it, let's go.
Let's go ahead and unbox the Melter wax pen. As you can see right off the bat, the packaging is really nice and well put together, easy on the eyes. The weight is not for everyone, but I do appreciate the weight. It feels great in the hands. Doesn't feel cheap or loose, feels real
Proper.
The look of the Melter itself is quite rad. Definitely the type of vape that will draw some eyes to it, which could be good or bad, depending on if you are the type that likes to share your green or not. This baby comes in 5 colors to choose from: silver, black, pink, blue, and rainbow for the ones looking to spice up life just a little. So let's unbox this
Beast.
So what comes in this? You have the pen, which we will break down in a minute. You have a micro USB cable, which handles the charging duties, a dab tool, the triple titanium quartz coil, which comes in the pen itself, 1 replacement drip tip, and of course, you have a user manual explaining the vape and how to use it.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Let's go ahead and break this vape down, starting at the drip tip at the very top of the pen. Next, we have the top cap, and the nice thing about this vape is that you can pretty much disassemble the entire thing, which makes maintaining and cleaning the vape much easier. Next, we have the glass, which once removed exposes the atomizer tube. Here's the triple titanium quartz coil, which easily screws off, so you can interchange it with the optional donut coil if you choose. An adjustable airflow system, which is one of the best parts about this pen, which you can adjust on the fly. Of course, with most of these pens, you'll need to click the power button 5 times to go ahead and juice it up like so. You should see a flashing white light that lets you know she is good to go. The bottom half of the pen is what houses the battery. Here's a quick look at the battery details. I'm gonna admit my battery spec knowledge is lacking, so instead of sounding suspect, I'll just say that I've had no issues with the battery. That includes taking it out for the day and using it quite frequently. It has been solid. Yeah, the last section, which is quite a nice detail, is the dab jar, which comes with 2 compartments and can be completely detached from the pen and used on its own with lid and all.
A dab will do ya.
This vape comes with a triple titanium coil, which gives you a nice cloud and some good taste. You really get the terps in there when you are vaping. If that's not enough for you and you want to bring it to the next level, you can go ahead and switch the original coil with the DazzVape donut coil, which gives you a better
Taste,
better
clouds.
and it cleans itself.
Yeah, it's a beautiful thing, baby.
So let's go ahead and load it up.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have the champion in the left corner with a record of 1 knockout and 0 losses.
We're talking about the triple titanium quartz coil.
And in the right corner, the challenger with a record of 10 knockouts, all by submission, the lethal ceramic donut.
Silence!
And respect for the cloud.
Overall, it's a pretty solid vape in my opinion. Very simple for someone just getting going on the vaping scene, yet delivers a big enough punch for the OGs of the vape game. It's quite durable and I've had no battery or technical issues since getting my hands on it. I do love the look. It reminds me of a pimped out Yokan Magneto. The glass area that displays the smoke in theory seems like a good concept, but I cannot ever really get it to fill. Maybe its role is more gimmicky than functional. That being said, that little glass area is also what makes the vape stand out, so I'm cool with the purpose it serves. I talked to a lot of people about vapes, and many people still think you need to break the bank for quality, man. The game's changed. Lots of companies in the space now creating great products.
And the Melter is a prime example of
that.
This thing doesn't melt, it shines.
Heasie invests.
You already know you rockin' with the best.
We out.